Hey, you guys. So I was one of the people who got the opportunity to order the Pattern Beauty products when they first launched. And I ordered a conditioner. I wanted the 3 ounce one just to try it out. This is the heavy conditioner for coilies. They do have several different conditioners, the heaviest one being intensive. But I wanted to try this one. I didn't think I needed the intensive one. And then I also got the leave-in. This one I got a full size of because I do not currently have a leave-in conditioner. So I'm hoping that I like this. I'm actually going to try this out now to do a wash and go leave-in conditioner now. Like I said, I'm going to do a wash and go. So what I typically do is I do leave-in. I do an oil. This is the Main Choice growth oil. This is just what I have here. And then I lastly finish it off with the gel. This is my favorite gel to use for my wash and goes. This is the TGIN Curl Bomb Moisturizing Styling Gel. And this one gives me really nice hold, but once I break the cast, when my hair is fully dry, I don't get a lot of flaking like some other gels do. So yeah, we're gonna try this out, see how it goes. Okay, so this is the finished product once I'm done with my, I guess, log method. And I'm going to let this dry for a little while as it is. And after this dries out a little bit, I'm going to try to use my diffuser to help dry my roots some and give me some volume. My hair typically does not like to get volumized until like days and days later. I'm gonna try to coax that process along. So once it's dry, I'll show you all the finished product and let you know what I think. My final thoughts on the Pattern Beauty products is that I do really like them. The conditioner that I use is heavy, which is, I looked at the description and it was supposed to be good for my hair type. I am a type 3C4A. And at first glance, like when I first put it in my hair, I did not think that it was going to be slippery because it has a really thick texture. So I wasn't sure how it was going to do with detangling, but when I ran a comb through my hair, like the tangles pretty much melted out. So it was really good at detangling my hair despite not feeling slippery, which if you're a curly girl, you know that you're looking for some conditioner with good slip. So don't be surprised by the thickness of the product. Like, don't let that lead you astray. It actually does do a pretty good job of helping detangle the hair. And then the leave-in conditioner that I use for my wash and go, I do really like. It's giving me nice hold. This is Day 4 hair. It's giving me really nice hold, but I don't have any flaking, which when you mix two different products like a leave-in conditioner and a gel, you can sometimes get flaking if the products don't mix well. I have not seen any flaking in my hair. It's giving my curls really great definition, but it's not super heavy on my hair. That's something that I don't like either. And it does not leave a residue. So pretty much everything that I look for in a product, the leave-in conditioner has given me, and it's giving me life with my wash and goes. I might actually start doing wash and goes more often again. I used to do them pretty frequently a couple years ago, but I kind of strayed away from them and started doing twist outs. But this leave-in conditioner is perfect for a wash and go. Highly recommend both products. And now I'm kind of interested to see what the other products are like. She has some shampoo, she has some hair serums. So I'm interested to try the other products as well, but the conditioner and heavy and the leave-in conditioner are definitely going to be some go-to products for me for future wash days.